Hey everyone, this is Isabel Hernandez at the Orange County Coastkeeper Garden. Today I want to quickly talk about drip irrigation and why it's a great choice for your water-wise garden. Now is the perfect time to install drip irrigation in your garden to ensure you'll be ready for fall and spring planting. One of the great advantages of drip irrigation is that it provides water to your plants exactly how they need it to look their best, deeply and right into the root zone. In addition, drip irrigation is ideal for small areas and parkway strips, eliminating the overspray and runoff into gutters and storm drains, keeping our oceans clean. Don't forget to check out the great drip rebates MoDOC is currently offering, and be sure to follow us on social media for more weekly water smart gardening tips. OC is Garden Smart. Visit mwdoc.com for more information.